Hey guys, this is Mr. Nash. We're going to be working on my 1994 Dodge 3500 Cummins Diesel. We're going to be doing a brake repair and servicing the hub assemblies. I'm going to start with taking the brake drum off. We've got the brake drum loose, ready to come off. Okay, this is the brake and the hub assembly. Okay. We're going to service these hubs because on the left side there is an oil leak. This is the left side. This is the side that had the oil leak. Now we also had a brake failure. The condition we had was when you applied the brakes, you had a severe vibration in the back. If you look at the brake shoe, you'll see the cracks. This is the lower portion of the secondary brake shoe. It came off inside the drum. This is the brake and the axle assembly with the hub removed. We have two new brake drums. We're not going to try to machine the old ones due to the size. We're going to go ahead and replace both. This is the left side hub assembly. This is the inner bearing. This is the outer bearing. And this is the jam nut for both bearings. This is the inner axle seal. And this is the gasket for the axle shaft. Next, we're going to go ahead and reassemble. We're going to put on new brakes. We'll check the brake hardware, and we're going to service the hubs.